If you want to succeed, you should strike out new paths rather than travel the worn paths of accepted success. I travel light. I think the most important thing is to be in a good mood and enjoy life wherever you are. I am learning that in life, it is okay to travel in darkness, not knowing what your next move is. The beauty of reading is that it lets you travel in a way you could never now. Travel makes a wise man better and a fool worthy. People will travel anywhere for good food. It's crazy. A lie can travel halfway around the world while the truth is putting on its shoes. To the lover of wilderness, Alaska is one of the most wonderful countries in the world. Travel by car or by bike. It helps to avoid walking too much and hurting your feet. Being in Bloor has allowed me to travel and hear the music that is being made all over the world. The person attempting to travel two roads at once will get nowhere. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Airplanes may kill you, but they aren't likely to hurt you.